My Margot is the latest book on legendary ballerina Dame Margot Fonteyn, a must-read for all fans of ballet, history, and celebrities. Experience what it is actually like to know this luminary artist personally, a behind-the-scenes view into one of the most provocative and fascinating celebrity lives there is. Not just another biography, it is an entry into Margot Fonteyn's most private world. Get My Margot on Amazon.com and all online booksellers now, and enter into Fonteyn's true story of enduring magic and majesty, My Margot, by Ken Ludden.